If you're getting failed to load sound and it shows IsLoaded equals false, don't panic. In 2026, this is usually a false error caused by Roblox's audio privacy system or a small cache glitch. Most of the time, the sound is already downloaded, but the IsLoaded property gets stuck and doesn't update properly. Let's start with the most important fix. If your script checks if sound.isLoaded before playing the sound, remove the check completely. The IsLoaded flag is currently unreliable and can stay false even when the sound is ready. Instead, just use sound :play open bracket close bracket directly, and in most cases the audio will play instantly. If you need a backup check for syncing, use sound.timelength 0 instead because that works better in 2026. Now, if the sound works in audio but not in the live game, this is almost always a permission issue. Go to the Roblox website, click create, then open development items and select audio. Open your sound, scroll down to permissions and add your universe ID, not your place ID. To get your universe ID, open studio, click view, open command bar, type print open bracket game ID close bracket and copy the number. Go back to the website, click add experience, paste the number and click save. This alone fixes most live game sound error instantly. Another highly reported fix is deleting the sound object completely and creating a brand new sound instance. Don't just change the ID because sometimes the object item becomes stale or corrupted. Insert a new sound object, paste the ID again and test it. If you are a player and this happens in multiple games, then your local cache might be the problem. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %/Roblox/download and press enter. Open the HTTP cache folder, delete everything inside it and restart Roblox. This forces the client to download the audio file again from scratch. Quick extra tip from Reddit. Sounds under 10 seconds often works better because they are treated as sound effects with fewer restrictions. Check the output window in Studio for a grant permission message and click it if you see one. In rare PC cases, disabling volumetric audio in Studio setting has also helped some users. In simple words, this is usually not a broken audio file. It's either a stuck IsLoaded flag or a permission block. Remove the IsLoaded check and universe ID permissions, refresh the sound object and clear cache if needed. After that, your sound should work normally again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.